Hi guys, so this is the Aquana dance for the groomsmen. I'm going to start the song from the beginning, but we aren't starting until the first line, which is Oh God, One More Remix. And in that time, one groomsman, you will be starting on stage at that time, mouthing that line. And the rest of you guys are going to come in with the next set of 8 beats, I believe. And then we're going to do another step and then go into the dance. At the end, the last 4 sets of beats, last 2 sets of 8, we're gonna come into a cluster and we're just gonna point at Tapan Mama and Danielle. But let me get the dance going. One groomsman, you're already gonna be on stage. We're gonna come in and you're gonna say this. Everybody else coming in right now, just clapping, coming in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. That is it. So this last 4 sets, the 4 steps, we're all gonna you guys are all just gonna come in and we're gonna do a little pose thing and point to the 2 of them at the front. All right.